After learning some Turkish words, it is time to make sentences on your own. In this video, we will learn the present continuous tense we need in daily speech. Stay with me to find out. But first, we need to know personal pronouns. If you don't know, you can learn easily by clicking the link below or here. The formula for present continuous tense sentences is verb plus personal suffix. Isn't it easy? What are personal suffixes? What do they mean? Personal suffixes are suffixes added to the end of the verb and indicate who did the action. Now let's read those together. For ben means I, suffix is uyuyorum, yiyorum, uyuyorum, uyuyorum. For sen is uyuyorsun, yiyorsun, uyuyorsun, uyuyorsun. For o is uyuyor, yiyor, uyuyor, uyuyor. For biz is yiyoruz, yiyoruz, uyuyoruz, uyuyoruz. For siz is yiyorsunuz, yiyorsunuz, uyuyorsunuz, uyuyorsunuz. For onlar is yiyorlar, yiyorlar, uyuyorlar, uyuyorlar. If we read quickly, you can rewind and repeat. Now let's make the sentences. From the words we learned before, we took the word gelmek, which means to come. By the way, to learn the meanings of words with infinitive suffix and without that, you can access the link below. Now let's get back to our topic. Let's delete the infinitive suffix mark from the verb word and add whatever personal suffix we want, and it's done. For example, we want to say he is coming. We brought the verb gelmek, delete the infinitive suffix mark, and added the personal suffixes iyor, geliyor, he is coming. Now try saying I'm coming. Yeah, it's geliyorum. You are coming is geliyorsun. They are coming is geliyorlar. We are coming is geliyoruz. You are coming for plural is geliyorsunuz. Of course, you can also speak by adding personal pronouns to the beginning. We said geliyorum, I'm coming. Also, we can say ben geliyorum, ben geliyorum. Now let's change the word açmak to open. She is opening. Açıyor or o açıyor. I am opening. Açıyorum or ben açıyorum. You are opening. Açıyorsun or sen açıyorsun. That is it. I hope you understand. If there is anything you can ask, stop. There is something. Everything is okay. But if you are asking which of those will we use and how will we know, then you understand it well. There is an easy solution to those two. If you are asking this, let's discuss in the comments. See you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.